2010, a fleeting company called Blockbuster closed the doors on its final store. Why did this happen? In 1997, a company started a mail order movie service. For a monthly fee, they could mail your movies to you. At first, it took almost a week, but that was good enough. Later, they would open many more warehouses, making a turnaround much shorter. It was cheap and convenient. By 2000, Netflix tries to buy Blockbuster, but they decline, and in 2002, Netflix goes public. In 2003, they have their 2 millionth subscriber. 2004, Blockbuster decides to go online to compete with Netflix, and in 2006, Amazon joins the picture and offers video on demand. And this is where those who want to win use innovation, like DevOps. There was a competition held by Netflix, an online DVD rental and video streaming service, and was open to anyone who was neither connected with Netflix, either a current or former employee, agent, close relatives of employees, etc., nor a resident of certain blocked countries, such as Cuba or North Korea. On 21 September 2009, the grand prize of $1 million was given to the Belcor's Pragmatic Chaos team, which bested Netflix's own algorithm for predicting ratings by 10%. Although this is not exactly DevOps, the basic fundamentals are there, and it led them to being an innovator in the DevOps field. Netflix is a fantastic case study for DevOps because their software engineering process shows a fundamental understanding of DevOps thinking and a focus on quality attributes through automation-assisted processes. Recall, DevOps practitioners espouse a driven focus on quality attributes to meet business, leveraging automated processes to achieve consistency and efficiency. Netflix's streaming service is a large distributed hosted system on Amazon Web Services. Since there are so many components that have to work together to provide reliable video streams to customers across a wide range of devices, Netflix engineers need to focus heavily on the quality attributes of reliability and robustness for both server and client-side components. In short, they concluded that the only way to be comfortable handling failure is to constantly practice failing. To achieve the desired level of confidence and quality in true DevOps style, Netflix engineers set about automating failure. Netflix software merely omits the stream or displays an alternate stream with no hindered experience to the user, exhibiting real, elegant failure behavior. Right now, these are the top 3 companies in the game, with Disney moving in on them very quickly. Disney is doing in a few months what it took the rest over a decade to achieve. One thing that all 4 have in common is that they are at the forefront of the DevOps culture, and it shows. There are plenty more examples of DevOps transitions and mentalities. However, by now it should be evident that this is natural and effective extension of agile methodologies is worth committing to. Many in upper management want happier employees. The mentalities associated with DevOps naturally supports and actually enhances such goals. Once DevOps is in motion, you will begin to realize that cohesion in the company as a whole is increased, not just in IT-related departments. Recently, there is still yet another company that has begun to implement DevOps practices into their daily work. As part of this, the DevOps handbook was bought for each employee in an IT-related department. This meant that half of the 153 employees received a copy. Another book, which goes hand in hand with DevOps but is a bit more business-friendly, was given to every employee in the company. The results have been satisfying so far, and improvements continue to be made. When will our company implement DevOps?
I'm drifting away somehow by the